front of me is Google Pixel 6a, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings. Then you need to tap on the Notifications here and select App Notifications at the top right under Manage. Now, select Most Recent at the top left corner and click on one of those options: Most Recent, Most Frequent, All Apps, or Turn Off. Wherever you will decide, you will see all of your apps listed here. By tapping on blue buttons next to them, you can disable notifications from chosen ones. By tapping on blue switches, you can turn them on. Quick tip: I always recommend to tap on an app on the left. This way, you can not only switch on or turn off notifications from it, but also check out and manage all of those other notification options for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!